Welcome to Short of Such Classes. So in today's video, we'll be talking about a question from production function from economics. So in this video, it is given consider. So in this question, it is given consider a firm with the production function of small x1, small x2 equals to minimum of 2x1, x1 plus x2, where x1 and x2 are amounts of factors 1, 2. So we have to draw an isoquant for output level 10. So we have to draw an isoquant for output level 10. So it is given function of x1, x2 is basically given as minimum of 2x1, x1 plus x2. So we have to simply find the isoquant for output level 10. So how do we do it? So for this, what we have to do, we'll simply have to draw a diagram. On the vertical axis, we'll take the output. On the horizontal axis, we'll measure, on the horizontal axis, we'll measure output. So here x1 and x2 are factors. So what we'll do, we'll simply write 0 here, we'll write 5 here, we'll write 10 here, we'll write 15 here, and here we can also write 6. Now what we can do, we have to draw an isoquant for output level 10. So the output level 10, so for output level 10, the isoquant for this will be looking like this. So the isoquant will be a kinked isoquant, which is the kink will be at 0.5, because here minimum of 2x1, x1 plus x2 will be equals to 10. So at this point, what will happen? So for up till 5, it will be straight line. Now from 5, it will become a tangent. So there will be a kink point at 5. Why so? Because as you can see, 2x1. So if x1 is basically equals to 5, so 2x1 will be equals to 10. And when x1 and x2 both are 5, so it will be 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So minimum of 2x1 and x1 plus x2, which is 10, is what? It will be equals to 10. So the quantity will be equals to 10 at what? At x1 equals to 5. So if you measure x1 and x2 on the vertical axis, you will get a kink at this point, because beyond this point, the isoquant will become vertical, that is inelastic. So now what we can see is that now we'll simply go to the next part of this question. So in the next part, show that the production function exhibit constant returns to scale. So we have to show the production function basically exhibits constant returns to scale. So it is given in the question that minimum of, so we have to show the production function exhibits CRS. So how do we do it? For this, we know the minimum of 2ax1, ax1 plus ax2 is basically equals to alpha minimum of 2x1, x1 plus x2. for alpha greater than 0. So for alpha greater than 0. So now we can, how do we get it? How do we show that minimum of this is this? For this, if you go back to the earlier part of this video, here we had what? We had minimum of 2x1 comma x1 plus x2. So now if you simply multiply with it a denominator, it will be minimum of 2 alpha x1. So we are multiplying with alpha comma alpha x1 plus alpha x2. So now if you take alpha outside, from here we will get alpha, from here we will get alpha as well. So it will be alpha minimum of 2x1 comma x1 plus x2 for alpha greater than 0. So when alpha is greater than 0, we can say that is, this is what? This is following CRS. Now if you go back to the next part of this video, the last one is given as, suppose that the firm faces an input prices W1 equals to W2 equals to 1. So what is the final cost function? So we have to find the final cost function. So if the input prices, as you can see, if the input prices are same, if the input prices are basically equal, so then we'll get C to be equals to Q. So if the input prices are equal, then the cost will be equals to quantity. Now if you look into the earlier section where the function is itself given, so the cost function will be equals to Q equals to W1 K plus W2 L. So now here, if these two things are same, then we would simply say that this is the cost function when these two become similar. So basically it will be equals to the function that is Q, because it will be same. So we can simply get this equation only. So from here we can consider when the input prices are equal, we'll get C to be equals to the quantity. So here, as you can see, the C will be equals to Q. So I hope you guys have understood the question. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number. So I hope you guys have understood it. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.